Our salah can become incorrect, our prayer can even become invalid, and the meaning of the Quran can also be changed if we do not recite properly. Therefore, it's extremely important for us to learn Tajweed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The question is, why is learning Tajweed necessary for us? Tajweed is the knowledge that teaches Muslims how to recite the Quran correctly. Reciting the Quran with Tajweed means reading it in the same manner and pronunciation in which it was revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Allah has commanded us to recite the Quran slowly and correctly. If we do not recite the Quran with proper Tajweed and pronunciation, our salah may become incorrect. The meaning of the Quran may change, and in some cases a person may even become sinful. Sometimes mistakes in recitation can even invalidate the prayer. That's why learning enough Tajweed to correct one's recitation in salah is necessary for every Muslim. So today I bring you the first class of this Tajweed course. If you show interest and support, I will continue this series and provide a complete course for you. In this first lesson, we will learn some basic information about the Arabic letters used in the Quran. The Quran contains 30 letters, but because the sounds of small ya and big ya are considered the same, they are usually counted as 29 letters. These letters are also called the letters of the Quran, huruf-e-tahji, huruf-e-mufradat. Among these 29 letters, there are 7 heavy letters known as huruf-e-musta'liyah. Those letters are kha, sad, dad, ta, la, ghayn, and qaf. Their combined phrase is khussa, dagtin, qiz. There are 3 letters that can sometimes be heavy and sometimes light. Those are alif, lam, and ra. The remaining 19 letters are always read lightly, and they are called huruf-e-mustafilah. So this was some basic and introductory knowledge about the letters used in the Quran. The first video, the first and most important priority for us should be to learn their correct pronunciation. If you are serious about learning Tajweed, note down these points and try to remember them. Also write in the comments which point you liked the most, and if you notice any mistake in this video, kindly mention it as well in comments. This was our first short class made to introduce the course and understand your interest. In the next class, we will learn the pronunciation and articulation points, also called Makharij in the language of Tajweed, of these letters, meaning from where each letter is pronounced. So stay connected until the next lesson. May Allah protect you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.